Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be bringing to you a dewy look, very subtle, very intense lips, but every other thing about the makeup is going to be subtle, dewy, hydrated, and that's all I'm going to do. Right now I've already put foundation on my skin, so as we go on, before you continue watching my YouTube channel, don't forget to thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment, and do all of that good stuff. I have my foundation all over my face, so what I'm going to do next is do my highlights and contouring. And I use two shades in highlights and contouring. I use Cool Tan and I use Fawn. Why I use Cool Tan and Fawn is because Cool Tan is a bit lighter than Fawn, so I want to get a bit of a brightness just underneath under my eye, sorry. So let me just pick up my Fawn. This is it, Fawn in LA Pro, and this is in Cool Tan. So I'm gonna mix the two together. I'm going to do it right under my eye, like so. So this is just going to be the brightness I told you about under my eye. Then the bridge of my nose, my cuticle, and my chin. Because it's a dewy look, we're not going all out with the contouring. I'm just gonna do very little contour on my face, just because of the look we're achieving. We're achieving a hydrated skin, more of strobing. So that's what we're going to do. So everything is going to be really light. So you need to concentrate on the side of your nose, just because we're going to do contouring later. So, and this is going to help a lot in contouring. So I'm going to go with Fawn, and just like I said, where I'm going for a soft look, and that's why I'm going like a shade lighter than my skin. Usually people go 2 shades, but now I guess with makeup everything keeps changing, so I don't want to be doing that anymore. I don't want to have a really bright highlight these days, so I've just been sticking to colors that are really close to my skin tone. So that is it. Start blending. Notice the way I'm blending and I'm not shifting from the side of my nose where the concealer is. I'm really just focusing on that area and blending gently, so I don't go off the side of my nose, if that makes sense. So I'm just gonna blend. That seems really nice. I'm gonna blend again. Don't forget to look up when you want to get the under eye, because when you look up, your eyeball tends to come out, so you can now blend in. My cuticle, my chin, and my forehead. So don't forget to blend. In makeup, blending is your best friend. You need to blend a lot, just so your makeup can come out really, really nice. I'm gonna blend all that out. Then your nose too, okay, your nose, bridge of your nose, you blend it. Sorry guys, if you see me turning to this side, that's because my baby is there and he's sleeping, so I want to like keep an eye. So I'm going to do my contouring. Like I said, I'm not going too hard. I'm going very, very light. I don't want it harsh because I'm going for a dewy hydrated look. So I'm going to mix LA Pro concealer in chestnut and in espresso, just to calm it down. I don't want it too dark. So that is it. I put a little of the espresso and I'm going to put more of the chestnut. So we have a bit of darkness from the espresso. So I'm going to put it on my forehead, the temples, and I'm going to blend. I'm not going too much, like I said, on the contouring, just our temple. And you remember when I used concealer and I stopped here? Now an inch, whatever is left from the side of your nose and the bridge of your nose, that is what the line that you follow to do your contouring. So this is what I'm going to do. Make sure you follow the line that it gives. Do not create your own line, because that is when you're gonna have a snatched nose. So you like me undercover, and I like it when you invite me, put me under your river, swimming your river. So I'm gonna put it right here too. Usually when I'm doing my contouring, my cheek contouring, I have a measurement. I stop here, just at the end of my eye. So that is where I stop. Because I find it looks better that way. So I stop there. See? So I'm blending, and don't forget inside of your hair, just put your color inside your hair. Nothing is gonna happen. Your hair is still going to be your hair. So just blend. The key is blending. Blend, blend, blend. That's all. Blend. You're done blending. Now go to the next level, and the next level is highlighted with your powder. I think we're done. So what's left of the brush, I just use it on my jawline of the beauty blender. I said brush, beauty blender. I just snatch my jawline with it. So I now squeeze my beauty blender and do this with my nose. Blending is just key. I keep on emphasizing on blending. Blend, blend. and the trick is just putting it inside your brows. So now I'm done highlighting and contouring, and as you can see, I don't look too highlighted, or sorry, I don't look too contoured because of the dewy look that I said we're going for. So it's now left time for me to set my face, and I'm going to start with the highlight part. I'm going to start with a compact powder, and I'm going to use Tara. I'm going to use Tara, and it's a Nigerian product too. So I'm just going to get the under eye, my under eye, and I'm going to set it just so when I'm going to use my benign powder, it's going to sit well and look really, really flawless under my eye.
I know you want me now. Put my head undercover. Put my head undercover. You like me undercover. And I like it when you invite me. Put me under your river. Swimming, swimming your river. Falling down, down your river. She don't want me loving nobody. 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 And I don't want my baby next to nobody. 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 She don't want me loving nobody. Nobody. Nobody.
Now I'm going to set my face like so, just concentrating on my highlight around my eye. I'm using benign powder in banana, so that's what I'm using to set my face.
I know you want me right now.
Can you see I'm already looking all highlighted and doing nothing too serious on my face, no harsh lines, no hard contouring, just everything is subtle.
She don't want me loving nobody. 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 And I don't want my baby next to nobody.
Forehead.
Nobody. Nobody. She don't want me loving nobody. 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 And I don't want my baby next to nobody.
Forehead.
Nobody. Nobody.
I'm now going to bronze up my face, and I'm using clean color. This, I've had it for a long time, it's very old. I'm just going to follow where I contoured. So nothing too serious, just
The way you love me, swear I don't want nobody.
a little bit. Now it's time for the brows. I'm going to do my brows. Nothing serious, no harsh lines, just very simple light strokes.
You want me now. Put my head undercover. Put my head undercover. You like me undercover. And I like it when you invite me.
I'm not going for a precise brows, I'm just going for a natural brows.
She don't want me loving nobody, nobody, nobody. And I don't want my baby next to nobody, nobody, nobody. She don't want me loving nobody, nobody, nobody. And I don't want my baby next to nobody, nobody, nobody,
Nothing serious. See?
I know you want.
So now I'm just going to brush through.
Make her come greet your father. Make her come meet your mother. Say I'll be here forever.
To make it softer. So brush.
Can we just have
Because then I'm not after the precise Instagram brows. I'm just going for a natural look.
She don't want me loving
So
nobody,
I'm done with this eye. I'm going to go and do the other eye.
nobody. And I don't want my baby next to nobody,
Nothing serious.
nobody. She don't want me loving nobody, nobody, nobody. And I don't want my baby next to nobody, nobody.
I've drawn my outline. And then I'm going to just follow the other upper part of the up and create another outline. Like so. So next up I'm going to clean up my brows, and cleaning I'm going to nothing serious, that's why I'm using my foundation shade so I don't have any highlight. Just going for a natural dewy look. That's what we're after. It really looks neat because I had carved my brows earlier. So, but this is not how I normally do my brows. I really want it to be looking like the Instagram brows. So, mine usually doesn't take this
Put my head on the
fast.
cover, put my head on the cover.
But with this one,
You
it's
like me
fast.
undercover.
That's because we're not going for a deep
I like
brows.
it when you invite me, put me under your river, swimming, swimming your river, falling down your river. She don't want me loving nobody, nobody, nobody. And I don't want my baby next to nobody, nobody.
Next up I'm going to go with 2 shades on my eyelid, and I'm using the Huda Beauty palette, and I'm going to use these 2 colors. These 2 warm colors. Who finds it hard to use neutral colors? Because I do. It's really hard sticking with neutral colors. I am a very dramatic person. I would rather go with the blacks and my blues and, you know, my dark colors. But when you want to go for this kind of looks, it's really hard, and sometimes I get tempted to add in some more popping colors because I just feel I'm not complete. That is just how I feel. But we're gonna manage today. I'm gonna try so hard not to use any other color besides the two I mentioned because of the look I'm going for. Yeah. So I'm not going to use this color right here. I'm going to use my finger. I'm going to put it right there. Color. I like to use my finger to do this part because it just gives me precision.